Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending a little bit of your time with me. Well, today, yet again, I have another Dollarama haul, and this one's quite substantial. I found a lot of great items, a lot of items that really excite me, so what better to share my excitement than with my friends here on YouTube land. So if you want to see what I purchased this time around at Dollarama, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's move this reusable bag out of the way and let's get this biggest item first. So I purchased this sign, which is probably one of my favorite finds. I don't even think I'll be able to get it completely on the screen, but it looks like it's wood, but it's not. It's like a very thick, what's that material called? It's not chipboard. I mean, it's very thick, so it's sturdy, but it isn't wood. Pressed wood, is that what it's called? Pressed wood? Anyways, what it says is family is everything. And this is huge. This is, oh, I'd say maybe 3 feet long by maybe half a foot. And I have the perfect place for it. So as soon as I hang it up, I will show it to you. So pretty. Now, I could probably make this myself, but not for $4. Because that's what it costs. So here it is. So it's by the Home Deco brand. It's a scripted wall plaque. And it does have these two here to hang it up. Pressed wood, I think that's what you call it. But it's so pretty. And I just absolutely love this thing because to me, yes, family is absolutely 100% everything. So I fell in love with that and this had to come with me. So that was the first find. Next, I found, and this is thanks to Makeup Munchies and More. Hi, girl. So I found the sparkly sign. I believe she got the gold one. I opted for the silver because that is what matches my decor. I have a lot of mirror furniture, so I thought this would go nicely. And look at the sequins in here. How pretty is that? So gorgeous, and my sign reads, "You make my world sparkle." So pretty. And again, it's silver with a gray background, and the sparkle is glitter, and the sequence is absolutely beautiful. So I had to pick that up as well, and that one was $4, I believe. Yes, it was. Moving on, what else did I pick up here? Oh, I found these Flamingo napkins, and I absolutely love these. I had to pick these up with the matching plates. Just, you know, so when we have our little outdoor lunches or picnics or snacks, I thought we could make it super pretty, super festive. And they're so cute. I don't even want to use them because that's how cute they are. Look at the colors, so pretty. So I got those. Of course, Isabella was with me, so she sees things, she needs to pick things up. So we got one of these little emojis. These are the heart emojis, but if you press it, oops, it's like a little flashlight. So that's cute, maybe to hang on her backpack. Actually, when I saw the flashlight, I thought this was really cute, even for us to keep in our purses, if we're coming from somewhere late at night. I mean, if your car still requires a key, you just click on that, or to get to your front door and it's dark, just light it up. So I thought that was really cute and practical. So I'm taking these out in no particular order. I picked up some of these hand sanitizers by the Pure brand. This is the scent Fresh Lemon, and there's 2 in the package for $1.25. So I needed some of those. I picked up this linen cardstock, and there are 18 sheets, and each sheet is 20.8 by 14.5 centimeters, and there are different colors. You probably can't see, but there's blues, yellows, greens, and some pink. And it seems like it's pretty heavy duty cardstock, so picked some of that up for my projects. Seems like every time I go to Dollarama I need to pick up a scissor, so I picked up another scissor for $1.50. I picked up some of these wet wipes to clean and freshen your skin. These are $1.25 and there's 33% more. I just like to keep this either in my purse or in the car for those little hands that get greasy, and I just like to freshen up with these. I needed a new loofah. I like to change these quite regularly, so I just picked one of these up. And these are $1.25, and it's like a pink with yellow combination. So just picked one of those up. I picked up some of this brown paper gift wrap. This is $2, and there is 80 square feet. And I actually go through these quite a lot for gifts or when I'm packaging up things that I sell. I like to use this with some brown twine. I think it's just really pretty, very elegant and simple. I love that. So I had to pick up another roll of that. Okay, so this I did not need, but I wanted to try it. So maybe we'll do a review on this. This is the Soft and Silky brand, and it retails for $4. It says here it says here that in store it's $5.99. I think that's pounds. Is that pounds? So it's a cordless lady shaver for a beautiful, silky, smooth skin. And this is what it looks like. And it is a battery operated, so I definitely wanted to give that a try. So pick one of those up. Also picked up one of these academic planners, and this one is a nice size, and it starts from August of this year until July of next year, which is perfect because my current planner ends in July, so this will be good for me. This one was $3, but I do like the pages. I like how there's plenty of room to write, and it's big, and I can keep all my appointments, things coming up, bills. I can keep that and just look at a week's glance, and it's right there in my face. I don't have to, you know, use a magnifying glass to find them. So I really liked the size of this one. So I picked that one up. And let's see, what else did I pick up here? I also picked up, this is a repurchase. I purchased this last year, and it works really well for us. I picked up one of these multi-purpose blankets. It is waterproof, and I like this when we head over to the park with the girls. We just open this up, and usually I sit on it. They're just running around playing. But, you know, if we spill anything, we just wipe it clean. And yeah, it's very convenient. It folds up to this size, and it's ready to go the next time you need it. So I really like this, and I also keep one of these in the back of my car just in case. I picked up, well, I should say Isabella. These are a couple of Isabella's items. She picked up this Orby slime, and you can see there's little, maybe you can't see it, there's bugs in there. It's a green slime, and this kid is all about slime right now. She makes her own slime, but if she sees slime in the store, she also wants it, so pick that up. I remember this when I was a kid. It's the war game. She doesn't know how to play yet, so maybe we'll sit down and I'll teach her and we can play this together. So I picked that up for her. Oh, and it says here it's a 2-in-1. Game includes rules for war and a memory game. So got that. She wanted this little journal, and you can see it's a little cloud with the eyelashes with the gold star. There's a little pocket in the front, and it's just lined paper, and it has some, looks like teardrops, raindrops on each page. So she wanted that, so I picked that up for her. We also picked up this kite, this Barbie kite. It's 42 inches, and I thought that was cute for the windier days, which we have not been having. So maybe we could use this in the fall. But I used to love flying kites when I was younger, so we'll certainly give that a try. And it's Barbie. Look how cute that is. So we picked that up for fun. Probably not the best deal, but I needed it. I picked up some Finish Jet Dry, and yeah, there's no explanation needed for that one. And we are nearing the end. The last item I picked up was just this gift bag. It's a Hatchimals gift bag, and this is for my goddaughter. I purchased a couple of items for her, and I thought I would pop them into this bag because it's so cute, and who doesn't love Hatchimals? So yeah, so I thought that was cute. And that was it, guys. That was my Dollarama haul this time around. My favorite items were at the very beginning, so I shared those with you first. So again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. It's wonderful. I know I haven't been returning comments. It's been super crazy, super busy. I've made some time to record these videos, but I promise you I will get to your comments very shortly. I also have an upcoming trip, a vacation, which I'm super excited about. And let me know down below if you would like me to take you along with me on this trip, because you don't want to miss it. I promise you it will be a trip of a lifetime. Well, at least for me it is. Anyways, again, thank you so much for watching. You know the drill. I'll talk to you on my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye, everyone.